In the top left-hand corner, you'll find a notes and reminders section for you to write down any important messages for the week ahead. You can also utilize this space to write down any weekly mantras, or you can use it to write down your most important task for the week ahead. Next to that, you'll find the habit tracker, which links back to the habit curator at the beginning of Curation. This is space for you to track the habits that you're currently building. You can tick or colour in the circle depending on how you want to use it. Some Curation users like to highlight the days they intend to complete their habits. For example, for me, if I'm tracking my yoga practice, I might highlight the circles under Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday if I decide those are my designated yoga days. As you can see, we've kept the weekly spread quite minimal so that you can adapt the weekly spread to your own needs. You can use the left space for events, meetings and appointments, and then the right hand side for to-dos, or you can use both sides for to-dos. It's completely up to you. What I want to draw your attention to is the daily self-care planner, which is strategically located on top of your to-do list. This is space for you to schedule a daily self-care activity, whether that's going to yoga, meditating, watching an inspiring TED Talk, journaling. It's just space for you to schedule some time out for yourself and to remind you that your well-being is a priority and that you deserve to spend time on yourself.